Paalala lang sa mga dayuhan, the Philippines is not for sale. Nobody should treat our national identity like goods to buy or sell. Sa dami ng mga ulat tungkol sa mga black market na ito, magtataka ka talaga kung may kinalaman na ba ito sa ating pambansang seguridad. Sa panahong kaliwat kanan ng pag-water cannon ng China sa mga Pilipinong barko, siguro may karapatan naman tayo maalarma. Siguro hindi naman masamang magduda. I have led many Senate inquiries that revealed how foreigners not only abuse our immigration processes, but also use fake documents to obtain Philippine passports and birth certificates. Yes, the Philippines is always open to young people from all over the world who want to study in our schools. It builds dialogue and global exchanges. Pero, ibang usapan pag peke ang papeles at cover lang ang pag-enroll sa ating mga eskwelahan. It is only natural that we look into if this is in any way related to Chinese harassment in the West Philippine Sea. We can never be too careful.